Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is April 14th and the Friday episode is obviously the science and tech and this is episode number 131. Okay, we started on December 5 and every day different teachers are taking different MCQs on subjects which are important for UPSC Prelims. Okay, so everything if you watch regularly 5 MCQs, you will surely able to solve a lot of questions which comes in the prelims no matter which year you are preparing for. And this is the WhatsApp number where if you come and ask me about the preparation, we'll give you foundational videos and then after that you can watch all our lectures which are completely free. Okay, as of now the POLITY NCERT, Sociology NCERT, POLITY Lakshmikant and NCERT in English, this thing 9th class is also going on. Everything is completely free and we will do every textbook for free. Okay, so today's first question, which of the following are false about man-made fiber? Okay, MMF. The imports of man-made fibers are increasing in India. PTA or polyterephthalic acid and MEG, monoethylene glycol, are examples of MMF, meaning they are used in the making of these man-made fibers. Options 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. Today's every question I have taken from February current affair. Okay, February 2023 current affair. So this one is the PDF of entire thing with explanation is already given to our test series enrolled students. 2024 students also, if you want these PDFs, you can buy the current affair pack alone. I will show you at the end of this video the pricing and how to contact me. Okay, so till then you can watch the free things if you are not giving the prelims now. But 2023-24 students, if you want, you can get it now. So here the answer is D, neither 1 or 2. Okay, because it's asking for false. Both the statements are true. So which is false means neither 1 or 2 are false. Both 1 and 2 are true. Okay. So these things, okay, first one, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, this is what we have told in the thing. One is like poly and mono we told. So this is the formula and this is not important formula and all, but it's used for making clothing and plastic bottles. This is a colorless, odorless, flammable viscous liquid where if you see polyester fibers and for antifreeze formulations it is used. And more examples of man-made fiber if you see polyester, polyamide that is nylon, acrylics, acrylon, rayon, aramid, viscose which is made from wood bark, then Kevlar, then again if you see Nomex. So like this, these are examples of man-made fiber. Then polyester synthetic fiber is the most used fiber and followed by cotton which is a natural fiber. Okay, so natural versus artificial fibers, again we have detailed MCQs in my science PDFs. So when you enroll to that you can study. Now what happened is a textile advisory group was formed, okay, for man-made fiber and they are discussing on the development and working of all these things. So that detailing may not be important, but you should know that such a committee or a group is formed where they are discussing about the synthetic fiber industry. Okay, Ministry of Textiles, Sri Piyush Goyal has headed the meeting also, and so there only it was mentioned the imports are increasing and this PTA and MEG are the highest imported fibers. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following are false about Aero India, Asia's biggest air show? The show is conducted annually. The first edition happened in the 1980s. So again, both one only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. So this is again, you know, every time the videos and photos of all these things circulate in the social media. Even we had shared it on our Instagram. So these things you are expected to know because it's not very like unpopular news. Always it will be there in the news, and I'm sure you would have seen the different planes and defense things being displayed. And we do a lot of defense deals also because a lot of other countries come to see this, and that time India makes deals with them. So here the answer C, both 1 and 2. Again, both 1 and 2 is false. Okay, here it is false because it is not annually, it happens every 2 years. And it is not in the 1990s. I think in 1996 or something it happened for the first time, and it happens in Bangalore all the time. Yelahanka, there's an area there. The Aero Show 2023 also happened, hosted by the Department of Defense Production under the Defense Ministry, and this is the theme: Runway to a Billion Opportunities. In 2019 also the theme was the same thing. Okay, that you can go and see in Wikipedia. All the 14 editions they have written what is the details and theme and things and all. See, 1996 the first one, and it is conducted every 2 years, meaning next will be in 2025, Yelahanka Air Base in Bangalore. So there, see, these many things were displayed, and USA also came, and they also maybe would have discussed with India, and India would have done a lot of deals. So that and all, again in the news link, if you want, you can click and read those who got my PDF. Okay. Now question number 3. Which country used antenna of the locust to create sniffing robots? So this is a science and tech international news. India, Australia, Israel, Japan. Who has made these robots using the antenna of the locust? So here is a GK thing. If you have not seen the newspaper and these things, you can't do it. So such questions in exam hall, you have to just leave it. Just don't take risk. So answer is C, that is Israel. Okay. So Israel used the antennas of locusts because locusts have very good smelling power, and also sniffing robots can be made. And again, machine learning and whatever technology of the insect, the sensory organ of animals, that and all is mentioned here. Okay, and the electrodes send signal when the antenna grabs a nearby scent. So each scent has a unique measurement of current. So like that technology, how they did it, that is written here. Okay, and this is written in the Hindu, so it is important for you. Now question number 4. University of Cambridge recently created a new form of water called amorphous ice. Okay, so which of the following are true? Though named ice, its molecular structure is more close to water. While warmed and then recrystallized, amorphous ice releases an extraordinary amount of heat. So again, 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. So like this, lot of things, including not only University of Cambridge, even in India, the IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, these people keep making lot of researches and discoveries. That time, based on that, UPSC asks questions in prelims also and in mains also. Or in mains, you can use these also to tell about the advancement of science and other things in happening in India and outside. You can use these things in the mains answer also. So here, answer C, both 1 and 2. Both are true. So the details are given here. They have made something, and the method they used is ball milling method to create this amorphous ice. So it's like a mix of both. Okay, mix of both water and ice. They have made a you can tell new form, new compound, whatever it is, you can call like that. So that thing is there, and the detailing is given here. Okay, you can pause and read this. While warmed and recrystallized, amorphous ice releases an extraordinary amount of heat. The heat energy released is very high that it may cause ice quakes. So ice quakes are something which is common in places, the planets like Saturn and Jupiter. Okay, so here again, Indian Express article, so it's important for you. Question number 5. Which of the following are matched correctly? So 3 missions, you can tell, space missions. Okay, this Zhongxing 26, Zoes MS-23 and Starship are matched with different descriptions. Okay, so like this is China's satellite to provide broadband connectivity for aviation. This is Russia bringing back the stranded astronauts from space. This is Starship, SpaceX company's reusable rocket. Okay, so options are 1 only, 1 2 only, 1 2 3, none of these. So again, as I told, all these are February 2023 current affairs. So a serious aspirant obviously should have seen all these things. Okay, these are different news items. We have clubbed it together. So this, if you can solve, that means you are reading the proper way. If you are still not getting answers to all these things, that means you are not reading the proper newspapers like Hindu or Indian Express or any standard newspaper which is there. So that means you have to WhatsApp me in this number, and I'll tell you how to read the newspaper also. Okay, we have a foundation video for that. So these are all free things. Okay, so just come and contact and study the right way instead of wasting time and studying from other printed materials and these telegram notes and all. So here answer will be C, 1 2 3. All of these are correct, and all of these are February current affair. Okay, so China had this satellite Zhongxing thing, which was launched in their rocket called Long March 3B, and $333 million thing. It is for providing broadband connectivity for aviation and ship related operation. Okay, so there, if you see, like India, we have the ISRO, they have something called the CAST. Okay, China Academy of Space and Technology. So they are doing back-to-back launches. If you follow current affair, you will know. Even the moon mission they have, you see the Change 7 spacecraft is to be launched to the south pole of the moon, and they have this one also. Okay, a cargo craft. So many things are like ISRO is doing many more than that. China is also trying to do every now and then. So you have to be aware of all these things. Then Roscosmos, that is Russia's space agency, they launched an empty Soyuz spacecraft. Okay, like Soyuz, I think MS-22 was sent for something, and something happened, some rock or something hit the micro meteorite. Okay, that hit the satellite and something happened, and some astronauts are now stranded in the space. So to bring them back, they have sent this Soyuz MS-23, which will bring back them safely. Okay, and you know this International Space Station which we have, which is a collaboration of many countries. Russia is also part of that, but Russia is planning to leave that. Okay, and maybe start its own space station. China is also having that plan, own space station. Like China's name is Tiangong. So like that, that is the reason International Space Station related data also you should study for the exam. Starship is a reusable rocket developed by SpaceX. Okay, so Starship, SpaceX, you know, it's an American company, like a private space company there, which is by Elon Musk, and NASA is the government one there. Okay, so there they, you know, keep doing tests, especially reusable rockets, reusable things which can go, and then again next mission you can use. So that test has become successfully tested. Okay, that is why this is in news. So again, as I told, if you are a serious aspirant of 23 or 24, then you can see this or pick whichever pack you want, and we will give you detailed PDFs. Okay, the notes will be very, very detailed in each PDF under each question, that you will not need to study anything else. Okay, if you are very serious about the exam. So this, if you see current affair packs at the bottom, we have given whichever 12 months you want. Okay, if you are if you need older current affairs, that is also available. But 23 students, this pack 12 is the most important. 24 aspirants, pack 12, and another one new pack will introduce, where it will start from next May to the next June. So that also will come soon. So whichever is available now, this also will be obviously important for 24 aspirants also. So you can get that. Or if you feel you are weak in subjects, okay, like whether it's NCERT based or geography, maps, environment, or we have this polity, economy, economic survey, for important relations, important organizations, for everything I have made detailed questions and notes. So this will be sufficient for you to solve any type of question which comes, okay, provided that you study them seriously. If you're simply buying it to pile it up and group it with your other materials, then no need to buy. Only if you're studying, then you can buy this. Okay, so for that, again, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, email also you can do, but WhatsApp, you will get more faster response. Within 24 hours, you will get response in this thing, okay, in WhatsApp. Okay, so as I told, Plums will help you understand all the questions, but solving test series will help you solve every single questions which comes in the exam, because we alone provide 10,000 plus MCQs with notes. That will be sufficient for you to cover. Okay, these are all the subjects which we cover. So as I told, WhatsApp me and get the details. Tomorrow the next episode will come. Thank you and have a nice day.